Hello, here's a video tour of the home at 2632 Royalwoods. It's in Anderson Township. This is the dining area. Notice the great natural light and the hardwood floor. It leads into the kitchen, which is very open, features granite, Amish cabinetry, which has hidden hinges, slow close, and a few nice built-ins, like this Lazy Susan, that you can access from both sides. The gas cooktop currently has a griddle on it, a cast iron griddle, but we do have the insert for you to go back to a regular burner. The kitchen has a lot of thoughtful detail, like great storage. The island has electrical outlets, but they're hidden under the granite top. Look at all that room for cooking or appliances or rolling out a pie or some cookies. Your view from the kitchen sink, which I always think about, is over the deck and into the woods, which are just starting to leaf out now since it's spring. Off of the kitchen, we have the laundry room and mudroom, which leads to the attached two-car garage. Plenty of space here to hang coats and for boots, shoes, and all that other stuff when the kids come in at the end of the day. This is the eat-in area of the kitchen. Notice the great natural light. This is the door to the full unfinished basement, which is off the kitchen. Here's the living room, which features an inset for wood burning fireplace, a mantle that was put in as part of the remodel of the house. A few years ago, the owners put more than $100,000 into adding on to this living room, putting in those window seats and the storage. Adding on the deck, notice there's a great skylight. This house has abundant natural light. Here you can see the view from the window seat. Behind these woods is the 5-mile trail, which you can walk all the way to the Beachmont shopping and to some of the schools. There you can see the attached two-car garage and the nice deck with some built-in seating. Here, let's just go out and look at it, huh? You don't have to look at it through the door. Here we go. Here's the deck, the nice serving area, and seating. Stairs and a pathway. Pretty easy to imagine sitting at this window seat as the snow's falling with a nice fire roaring in the fireplace. This is a family desk. That was also part of the expansion. Excuse my stuff. It's where my things are. As we continue on the first floor, we have a half bath that has tile, the same granite and Amish cabinetry. And then we have a really large room that's also in the front that could be used as a sitting room, TV room, office. One of the families that lived here used it as a combined study room and music room. There was a piano in here. It's hard, since there's nothing in here right now, it's hard to give you a feeling for the size of it. It also has a great door so that if you're using this for an office, you could close the door when you're on the phone or if the family's getting a little noisy while you're trying to work. So we'll go upstairs. The house has 4 bedrooms. The first one we'll take a look at is the master. Here it is. The current owners did put hardwood in on this floor. It was originally carpet. This is the master bath, where you'll see the great tile flooring, a really nice walk-in shower with another skylight. I just love the light in this home. You can see the shower is big enough to have a seat. Some built-in area for products. Then here's the vanity area that has 2 sinks. And the master walk-in closet that has a storage system already installed for you. From the master, we'll go down the hallway on the second floor. Here's the shared bath. You'll see it also has a dual vanity with 2 sinks, full shower and tub, the great tile throughout, and of course, another skylight. I love the abundant light in this house. Bedroom 2, hardwood floor, some nice built-in shelving. Let's see if I can get a shot of that for you. And also a built-in desk with some bookshelves and storage. This would be bedroom 3 that we're entering now. As with the rest of the second floor, it's got the great hardwood windows with some good light. The closet doors were removed by the owners, but they are downstairs if you want to put them back on. Here we go into bedroom 3. This bedroom also communicates with the master. So you can use that as a nursery, a sitting room, an office. You have a lot of options for how you might want to use that. So you can see it's the master plus 3 more bedrooms here off the hall, so that's 4 beds. It's a great house with an open floor plan. It was built in 1985, then remodeled just a few years ago. It has a lot of great features for entertaining, a really great location in Anderson Township. Let's see, I'll give you a feeling for the landscaping in the front yard. It's early spring, so we're seeing the daffodils come out. Royalwoods is a cul-de-sac. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll come take a look at it in person.